guys, it's Sabra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a part 2 to my dining room makeover. So I'm actually prepping for my kitchen table to be delivered. We should be getting it tomorrow or Saturday, so we're really excited about that. I've got to put together the chairs, so that's what I'm going to be working on now. And we'll go pick up the table tomorrow, so hopefully we can get some footage of that. But here we go. So this is fun. On the box it says, do not open with knife. So can I use scissors or is that unacceptable? So each chair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. That's it. Too easy. A little bit of finishing touches and help from Tanner, the chairs are put together. I love these. I actually found these on Amazon. They came as a 4-pack and it was such a great deal, but honestly the quality is amazing too. Great price, great quality, and I'm really excited to get my table in here. So yay. So it's Saturday morning and we're going to pick up our beautiful dining room table. We've got the big van. Wikipedia van is going to load up this table. So the guy that built it for us, he's out of the right woodworking. He has his own little small business. I'm really excited to see it in person. He sent me a lot of pictures of it and it's absolutely gorgeous. So, you excited? He just wrestled with the fan seat, so he's a little tired already. Okay, so we've got the table in the dining room. We just have to attach the top to the frame. So, here we go. It's gonna look so good! Oh my goodness, you guys. I am so obsessed with this new table. And Tanner pointed out that I match my decor in here. I did not plan that, but you know, I just kind of like the vibe. Thank you, Scott, at The Right Woodworking for building this beautiful table for our home. We love it so much, and we can't wait to have our first meal here. What are we doing?
Well, we're trying to find a light fixture for your dining room.
They've got some good options, don't they?
They do. Really like this style.
So, modern farmhouse theme, as you guys already know. And I want to get a new light fixture in there just to finish that room, and then I'll be completely done with that room. And that's exciting. That's a big deal. Minus the flooring that we're going to do at some point. But as far as the room is concerned, it's going to be finished. So we've kind of got a style that we like. Let me show you.
This little guy right here.
Yes. Okay, Mom, so do they have the one we want in stock?
Okay, this is the one we want right here.
Okay.
We need to go get that.
Okay. Well, let's go get one. What are you doing? Look, she's got one hand on the box and then one frappe hand. That's when you know. It's not heavy, is it? Oh, it's hitting right now. I mean, what if there's just like foam or something in there?
It might be a fake glass.
Because in case someone tries to steal it. It's like a gag gift. Well, is it taped down?
You know what? I'll grab the other one and see if it's the same weight.
There you go. I mean, I wouldn't think it'd be too heavy, but I don't know. Okay, must be real.
It's a real deal.
What you doing, Mom? You did. Okay.
So we can take this one, or we can get one that hasn't been used yet.
Okay, so they do have one down there, though.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, let's load it.
Sabi, is that going to fit in your car?
I don't know. You know, we'll figure it out. If anything, I'll roll the window down, have it hanging out. I don't know. Like, it has plastic on it, so it's fine.
All right.
I don't know.
Well, let's find out if it fits. Go ahead. I'm going to let you push that. Tell you what, I'll meet you up front with the light. How's that? Or you want to go get the light and I'll push that? You good? I gotta get your boots in there. I think the rug is as long as your car.
Oh my God. What are we gonna do?
I don't know. It's gonna be interesting. Oh boy.
Well,
Look, I don't know where I'm gonna sit at, but
I wonder if I fold the seat down and just have it laying up in the
yes, yes. We might want to go ahead and put this light in first, though. I wonder if it would be easier to bring it in this way and slide it through. That way it's just like a straight shot. Can I open this back hatch?
I mean, yeah, there's something to help.
Well, I want to film.
No, that's definitely not an excuse. The easiest would be going to the hatch.
Let's try that then.
Yeah, and
Let's- All right, let me try.
Well, I'm doing something. I'm gonna do this.
Oh gosh, it's like a clown car.
I mean, my goodness. Go in for a ride. Come out with a rug.
That's too big for the
Mommy,
car.
gonna sit in the back.
That's fine. It's fine. Look, it's fine. Oh yeah, we got plenty of room. Look at there. Oh my God, it worked. Oh, you got room for the light. Oh, but look at your seat. Oh, it's fine. Oh, it's fine. Oh yeah. She holds more than what you think, doesn't she? Oh yeah, we got plenty of room. Get you the drinky. Don't forget your billfold.
Of course I could make it fit.
Of course you can.
I'm literally the packing guru.
We got plenty of room.
You got enough room over there?
I'm good.
We can put those light bulbs back there. Give you some more feet room.
I'm good. I'm just glad it fit, yes.
Oh yeah, that's plenty of room. Got me a new rug. Here's gonna be. I say, oh, this other rug
It didn't have fringes or tassels.
wasn't fitting the bill that I needed to. My mouth feels so cold.
Alright.
Oh my goodness, you guys. Check out the new light fixture and the new rug. You guys saw my mom and I struggle with this thing, but it was so worth it. I actually didn't get any footage of us installing this, but we had some lovely helpers. Tanner's parents were here this weekend and they helped put in the light and help with the rug. So grateful. It looks so good. I'm obsessed.